For today's easy recipe, we'll be making this incredibly moist and delicious cinnamon coffee cake. In a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You could use light or dark brown sugar. Whisk this until it is well combined. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. In the bowl of a stand mixer or using a hand mixer, combine 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of white sugar. Using your paddle attachment, cream this on low for about 3 minutes or until it is light and fluffy. Now we can add in 2 large eggs, and these are also at room temperature. We're going to mix this on low for a minute and add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that this has come together, we are going to add in only half of our dry ingredients. For this cake, we need to alternate between wet and dry. So now I'm going to add in 1 cup of whole milk, but only half of it right now. Now that that has mixed well, we can add in the remaining flour, and we'll continue mixing this on low, alternating with our milk. And all of these instructions, as well as the full recipe, can be found down in the description box below. Now our batter is ready, and I'm just going to lightly grease an 8x5 loaf pan and line it with a sheet of parchment that extends slightly higher than the sides. This is an optional step, but it makes it super easy to remove your loaf. I'm going to put half of the batter into the bottom and then just spread it out with my spatula. Now we can sprinkle half of the brown sugar cinnamon mixture over top and try to get a nice even layer so that you end up with a nice swirl in the center of your coffee cake. Carefully pour the remaining cake batter over top. Try not to disturb that cinnamon sugar layer too much if possible. Now, using your spatula, you're just going to want to even this out as best as you can, ensuring that you get it into all of the corners. It will level out a little bit in the baking process as well. Now we can sprinkle the remaining brown sugar cinnamon mixture over top. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and this is going to bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, you'll have to let it cool for about 30 minutes, and then you can use those parchment handles to easily remove it from the pan. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new recipe. Thanks for watching.